Say 60 bucks a month on the one you started with last year, 50 on the one you just added, and 90 on the one you added in the spring, hoping it would all finally click. And then probably three more at 7 to 20 bucks a piece because none of them are working alone, so you keep stacking. That's pushing 250 bucks a month leaving your account, and most of you still aren't making enough sales to pay you back. Here's the gut punch. None of those memberships are the problem. It comes down to one simple thing: the design. Stick around because I'm going to show you why stacking memberships is actually the thing keeping you stuck, and what two lifelong designers looking at your actual work is doing for our members for a fraction of what you're paying right now. I'm Jay. I've been doing print on demand for over 13 years, and the reason I can call this out so bluntly is that Juna and I aren't just teaching this stuff. We're both lifelong graphic designers and sellers ourselves. We've built shops and we sold millions in shirts. We made the exact same mistakes I'm about to walk you through, so when we look at a design, we're not guessing. We're telling you what we'd actually do to change it to get it to sell. And here's why this matters right now. If you're paying into 2, 3, even 4 different memberships trying to solve the same problem, you don't have 4 solutions. You have 4 different plans pulling you in 4 different directions, and that's exactly why none of them are sticking. Here's the psychology on this, because it's not just a money problem. It's a brain problem. Every time you switch systems, your brain has to start over. Researchers who study task switching like this call it the switching cost. It's the same reason jumping between 5 open tabs feels worse than finishing one thing start to finish. You don't just lose time, you lose the momentum and the pattern recognition that only comes with staying inside one system long enough to actually learn it. That's what's happening every time you sign up for one more membership. You're not adding help, you're resetting the clock. New terminology, new process, new person's opinion on what you should sell, and you do that 3 or 4 times a year, which means you never actually get good at any of it. This isn't a discipline problem, it's a switching cost problem, and the fix isn't more input. You don't need to learn more. It's staying inside one system long enough for the pattern to click. Now let me show you what this actually looks like. Actual members telling you. This is one of our members. And we're only 5 months into this community. 300 plus members already, and wins like this are already stacking up. This isn't a one-off. Different members, different niches, different designs, same pattern every time. And here's what most memberships won't do. A bunch more of these are us telling a member exactly what to change, but what you saw on the screen here, we just took the design and redesigned it ourselves, live within the community while they watched. Then we handed it back to them ready to sell. That's the difference when 4 other memberships haven't worked. It's not more advice sitting inside a course library somewhere. It's 2 people who've actually sold shirts, either telling you the one thing to fix or just fixing it for you. Now, I'm not saying those memberships won't work. What I'm saying is that you can't take bits and pieces from each one of them and try to build your own plan with it. A lot of the information will conflict because it's not what worked for the particular person who put that kind of thing together. You won't end up with a straight plan, you'll end up with a crappy scrapbook, I promise you. And you're going to be spinning your wheels like you probably already are. The nice thing about what we do is that it can work alongside any single one of them. So here's the actual problem and the fix. Not a new niche, not a new tool, not a 4th membership. The design itself. And here's a myth that's costing people real money right now. You've been told that if the design isn't selling, fix your SEO, fix your tags, list more products, test a bunch of different mockups. All of that just gets a bad design seen faster. It doesn't make it sell. You can have perfect tags, the perfect niche research, and even maybe arguably perfect timing. But if the design itself isn't speaking to one specific person, none of that matters. You just made a bad design easier to find. If it doesn't convert, aka sell, then it tells the algorithm to stop showing your stuff in search results for those specific terms. Most designs that don't sell aren't failing because of strategy. They're failing because they're too safe, too generic, or trying to speak to everyone all at once. A shirt that says Dog Mom in a basic font isn't a design. It's pretty much just a placeholder. The ones that sell get specific. Not nurse, but night shift nurse who survives on caffeine and dark humor. Not Dog Mom, but the specific breed, the specific chaos, the specific inside joke that the owner already laughs at probably almost daily. Let me show you exactly what this looks like next to each other. Same shirt idea, same niche. One of these sells and one of these sits here for 8 months with absolutely 0 views. The only difference in between them is specificity. Here's the second one. Same story. Nothing changed, but who it's actually talking to. That's the difference June and I actually are looking for when we redesign something. Not make it prettier or add another bow. Please, no more bows. We're looking for the missing specificity. That one thing that makes one person feel like this shirt was made just for them. You can switch memberships 4 more times this year and still miss that. Or you can stay in one system long enough to actually learn to see it yourself. So let's go back to that number from the top. $250 a month spread across memberships that aren't sticking because you can't stick to any of them. Shirtheads is $27 a month. One system. Design and redesign help from two people who actually sell shirts for a living, and real feedback from a community of over 300 people that can tell you what speaks to them. They have a buying history also, and their opinions are valid. That's it. That's the whole plan. You don't need a fifth membership. You need to stop switching and let one thing actually work. By the way, we're teaming up with Kittle for a special Friday live redesign session. And this was open to both the Shirtheads and Kittle communities. The format is the same as our Thursday sessions where we redesign live. Submit a design, and if we pick it, we'll rebuild it live and walk through exactly what we're doing and what we're changing and why. There will also be a demo of Kittle's new agentic AI features, some fun merch giveaways, and a bunch of other stuff. Great whether you want your own design in the hot seat or just want to learn by watching. And I promise you, you will absolutely learn something from watching. And Kittle is giving away 2 free 1-year subscriptions to Kittle Expert. Everyone who RSVPs to the event is entered once, and if you're a shirthead, lucky for you, you get a second entry through a different link available only to paid members inside our community. It's happening Friday, August 14th, 11 a.m. Eastern. The RSVP link will be in the top comment if you want in. Now, I want to know something, and I want you to actually answer this in the comment. How many memberships are you currently paying for right now that are trying to fix the same problem? Let me know, and type focus in the comments. Just that one word as well, because I read every single one and it tells me exactly who this content needs to keep reaching. And here's what I want to leave you with. You don't have a resources problem. You never did. You have a focus problem, and no amount of stacking things fixes that. It just spreads the same problem and confusion across more logins and more platforms. Your shop isn't broken. Your focus is the problem. And now you know exactly what to do about it. Pick one, stay in it, and let the pattern actually click. Subscribe if this hit, because I make this kind of no fluff business content regularly, and YouTube will keep putting it in front of you if you tell it you want more. And it costs you absolutely nothing and helps the channel. See you in the next one.